We're about to take a piece of foam board and make wall art with it. Shabam! I needed something to put on my guest bedroom walls ASAP, and I didn't want to spend much money on it or leave the house really. So I used Walmart online shopping. Do y'all do that? And I bought 2 pieces of foam boards, and I already had the rest of the materials, just like joint compound and some paint. We're just making a texture. You really can use almost anything you can imagine. My plaster was really stiff because I've had it a while. It's so much easier if it's easily spreadable. So if yours is thick, you can mix a little bit of water in it to make it more pliable. I started out with sort of a base color of, it's called Sandy Blonde by DIY Paint. I just had some dregs in there, as you can see, and I just poured in a little bit of my liquid acrylic sealer and mixed them together. But that's kind of unnecessarily complicated. You can use any acrylic paint, you can use any chalk type paint. I think you can use any paint you want. Water-based paint.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of love this right now. I really feel like
Artlist.io.
releasing my troubles. And although you're so far, I really feel we're in twain. We'll wait till it's right.
I knew I wanted neutrals, like a beige, tan, creams, and then the black. So I tried it first with the palette knife and the small brush, and now I'm doing it with a wide brush. Same palette. With this brush, I was still experimenting. I just played and kept going until I liked it. If you want to stay safe and you aren't super confident about doing this type of thing, if you'll stick to just keeping your strokes all in one direction, or like I did, only vertical and horizontal strokes, it will keep the piece from becoming too chaotic. But obviously you can do it however you want.
I'll sing me a song. We'll meet when we meet. Touch base and walk on. I'm kinda choked up right now. I really
Music
feel
licensing reimagined.
and get this wherever you are. As you breathe in the space, as I breathe in the city, we'll know when it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will
Artlist.io.
have made it so far. Looking at each other and knowing how we've been through a lifetime. Here we are now. Oh, we made it this far.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, 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 oh.
Thinking I was done with this first foam board, and I was going to repeat the same variation on the other one, I went ahead and sealed it. You want to seal the plaster joint compound, whatever it is, so that it doesn't crumble when it's dry. I just used an acrylic sealer. Again, the products are in the description box so you can find them. Over the whole shebang. You can't mess it up. Just kind of paint it on, throw it on.
Artlist.io.
So I've got the layer underneath, it's kind of the underpainting with the fine lines and the scratchy strokes, and now the wider, smoother strokes over the top. You can see them both, and it makes your painting look more dimensional and more impressive. To hang these, since it's very light and you also can't put a nail through them, really, you can use adhesive hangers that stick together, like you buy for posters and photos and things. You can get them anywhere. We don't live in a fun house. I don't know why the video is slanted like this. So I am extremely excited about how they turned out. I'm pleased. Would they look better with some black frames around them? Yes. But I hope you can see how really easy this is and how inexpensive. And I hope you will try it.